Hi, how are you? My teacher, my student. Stay tuned. Understand intellectual property, technology evaluation and negotiation. Presented by Ariel Augusto Navas Suárez. 1098-757-581. Presented to Jennifer Tovar. Group 30. National University Open at Distance Pune. School of Basic Sciences, Technology and Engineering, March 2021. Problem 3. One problem cost-benefit balance. Effect. AIC decision-making. Manufacture of new products. Increase in administration costs. Increase in marketing costs. Correct problem of favor cost-benefit balance. Causes. Lack of trusted person. Ignorance in high cost formulation. Ignorance in high limiting costs. Recommendation for company in Colombia. The main responsibility of administrators invariably is need scientific and technological advances to having inconvenience in the process, and is process what requires the fall must be created. Identify the factors that are causing the problem. Finland companies specialize in technology process-wise and developing software to solve the problem. The is managed of the manager to understand and the apply cost benefits relating in the analysis derivative found this connection and evaluation is correct. How can how about the profitability of project to loss and possibly damage to parties? Thank you, Joe. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.